Dear students, coming to the concept of scoring yourself off on scale of 10 on the three different exercises, that is psychology, GTO, interview. अब ये concept क्या है ये हम आपको समझा रहे हैं. You know, these are all parameters of evaluation and parameters of your self analysis. जब आपसे बोला जाता है, whenever people say that please give yourself marks on basis of your performance in psychology tests out of 10, they are looking at how you will rate it. In psychology tests, the criteria of rating should be as per your completion. आपको क्या मालूम क्या सही साइकोलॉजी है क्या नहीं, तो आपको completion के बेसिस पे करना चाहिए. That means if you have done well, all the SRTs, BATs ज़्यादा कर लिए, stories कर लिए, तो out of 10 you can say 7 or 8 or 9, whatever you want to. But I always believe in somewhere not on the higher side, but I think 7 or 8 is a very healthy number, or 6 if you have done reasonably okay. Because एस्पायरिंग इंडिविजुअल, एक व्यक्ति जो अपने को बदलना चाहता है, सीखना चाहता है, बढ़ना चाहता है, when a person wants to evaluate, there's always space for improvement. So when there is space for improvement, then how can a person score themselves 9 or 10 and then also say that I am full? No. So when you are an intelligent mind and you want to evolve, you want to become better, you will always give 7 marks or 8 marks max to max, because you know there is still a lot of things to be improved. You can also give 6 marks. Yes, giving yourself very poor marks, that is 3, 4 or below 5, will generally speak of poor confidence, poor self-confidence. But giving yourself high marks like 8, 9, 10 will become matter of overconfidence. So I would like that you should score somewhere 6, 7. It's okay, not bad. And you are observing. They may ask you why. तो भाई psychology is evaluated in terms of completion, कि stories पूरी कर पाए, नहीं कर पाए, WAT कर पाए, SRT कर पाए, that's it. And GTO is evaluated in terms of sense of camaraderie, sense of completion, कितना अच्छा ग्रुप गया, कितने अच्छे से GD हुए, कितने अच्छे से ग्रुप प्लानिंग हुए, how beautifully the group discussion went, how beautifully the group planning went, how you were able to complete all the 4 tasks given in progressive group tasks or the half group tasks or the other, or the appreciation given by the GTO. That must be the reason. If your group has enjoyed wonderful camaraderie, wonderful cooperation, wonderful performance in terms of relevantly speaking, trust me, your group has done well and so have you. आपने बहुत अच्छा किया. Still your scoring should be somewhere in 7 or 8, maximum 6 or 6 to 8, that's all. Reason being, there is always sense of improvement. In GTO again, I will go a little back, 6 to 7 would be okay. Now don't make it a rule, don't copy me, see your evaluation. If you think you missed a lot of chances, you can say 5, sir. I think I can improve a lot more, because in few places I missed. 6, 7 is very healthy, I mean it. But आपको समझना है. Agar you are finding that the GTO is angry with your performance and other things, then don't rate yourself 8, rate yourself 7. Not too much, not too less. ये है रीजन. इंटरव्यू में आप कई क्वेश्चंस आंसर नहीं कर पाए या आपने अच्छा दिया जितना पूछा गया, बट स्टिल आपको और डिटेल की इच्छा थी, तो यू कैन से दैट सर आई थिंक 7 बिकॉज आई वुड हैव डन बेटर. यू कैन से दैट. नाउ दिस इज अ वेरी ट्रांजिशनल काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस. एक बहुत ही, यह आपकी परफॉर्मेंस के ऊपर बहुत है, बट आई वुड certainly not recommend to you that you should give yourself 9 or 10 marks full out of 10. Never. Because even I, as an evaluator with 30 years of service, 30 years and many selections, would never give myself 100% marks, because I feel every time something more, something better. In the present generation, a lot of things are changing in terms of SSB. Suddenly you find a lot of pundits, a lot of people Everybody telling you theory, but are you absorbing it? The condition is that. Are you absorbing it in terms of pragmatic level? Are you really analyzing yourself and developing yourself on those thought process? When you go to the SSB, you should have certain software map in your mind, which should be ready, that I will do this, I will do this, I will do this. अगर आपके पास ये भी क्लियर नहीं कि मैं स्टोरीज में ऐसा हूं तो ये करूंगा, बैट हूं तो ऐसा करूंगा, और यू वॉक इन विद अ वेग आइडिया एंड यू रैंडमली परफॉर्म, आई थिंक यू विल डू वर्स्ट. You should perform with a clear thought process. Now, what are the two parameters? I have told you, your biodata, your SDT, and of course you. These are the three parameters. Your attitude within yourself, your biodata, your SDT. And of course, good performance with the group, adjustment with the group. ये तीन बायोडाटा आपके पैरामीटर्स हैं. आप पहले से जानते हैं कि आप you are having these OLQs with you. Everybody has. Some have it polished, some have it in a very raw form, some are not able to express. But OLQs, I have never seen anybody missing with it. Seriously. Every girl, everyone, anybody who has cleared 12th class exam has OLQs. They are very common qualities. But some are polished, some are unpolished, some are poor. So improve on this. So when they ask you on the three exercises, your analytical point comes in. Then they may go deep probe. Why? Then you should have clear reasons. And those clear reasons should not be confused. It should be clear. Why? Sir, I think I could have done this. Yes, I had read this, but this answer I could not give in details. I feel I should have risen up to the mark. As you rightly told me, इंटरव्यू में अगर कुछ बात बोली है तो इस प्रकार से आपको बताना चाहिए. बट डोंट कर्स योरसेल्फ, एनालाइज योरसेल्फ. Now there are two different curse means, sir, I'm not that good, I'm not good. This is cursing yourself or seeking sympathy or becoming person with poor confidence. But saying that, sir, I think I could have done better by this. Now this is confident as well as evolving in nature. So when you are confident and evolving in nature, you're doing great guns. So when you're doing that, you automatically will fall in a better parameters and you will do better. So I hope you understand this. So whatever they ask you in terms of how you score, please try to evaluate that. I'm making things more transparent, more crystal clear, so that everyone and just anyone can understand what this whole process is. It's about your personality dimensions, but raise your standards, decode the psychology, improve yourself from within, analyze yourself and change yourself. God bless you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.